In the heart of the Kurukshetra battlefield, Arjuna is torn. Faced with fighting his own kin, he is consumed by sorrow, confused and helpless. He surrenders to Lord Krishna for guidance. Thus begins the divine teaching, chapter 2, Sankhya Yoga, the yoga of knowledge. Krishna begins by unveiling a timeless truth. The soul is eternal. It is never born, nor does it die. It only passes from one body to another, like changing worn-out clothes. This body may perish, but the soul remains untouched. Krishna reminds Arjuna of his Dharma, his sacred duty as a warrior. Avoiding the fight out of attachment or fear will be unrighteous. To act in line with truth, with no selfish motive, is the true path of a warrior and a yogi. Krishna introduced Sankhya, the wisdom of discriminating between the eternal and the temporary. He teaches Arjuna to act without attachment to results, success or failure, gain or loss. Let not this shake your inner peace. The wise one, Krishna says, is the Sthitaprajna, a person of steady wisdom, free from desires, unmoved by praise or blame, pleasure or pain. Inner stillness becomes their strength, and such a one lives in peace and harmony with the self. Chapter 2 is the heart of the Gita. It reveals the eternal soul, the power of detached action, and the wisdom of equanimity. Arjuna is no longer alone in his struggle. He begins to awaken to his higher self. This is just the beginning of Krishna's wisdom. In Sankhya Yoga, we learn that clarity comes not from escape, but from courage and inner balance. If this teaching spoke to you, continue the journey with the next chapter and let the Gita guide your path, one verse at a time.